Okay, hold on. NVDA just held. Okay. 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 Yeah. I think that's a setup. Watching NVIDIA. Let's see if this holds here. 146 just turned into support. Yeah, I'm long NVIDIA. Stop loss under 145.61. Pretty much, yeah, let's do stop loss under 146. Keep it nice and tight. That's a break and retest above our 146 level on NVIDIA. I'm going to try that. The reason I'm interested in this is because if this is the moment that NVIDIA actually breaks outside of this channel, it could be very big. And there's very little risk. It's just a small little risk. Right back under 146. I like that. I like how it held there. Market's not great for it, but I'm going to try it. So try it light. I took like $10,000 worth. Maybe lose a couple thousand, 2,000. Little later to start. I just want to try this. 146 is our spot. It has been our spot. So it's a good little attempt, I think. Let's see if that can build over 146. Market looks good. NVIDIA looks strong off 146. There we go. Come on. Give us a little one start. Nice. There it is. How much can we get? I like 148 as a target. Man, Tesla's getting smoked today. Jesus. Damn. Downside on Tesla was nice. Market looks good to try to hold NVIDIA here a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. Market looks good to try to hold NVIDIA out a little bit here. All right, I'm going to take a very small amount off here, up 20%. Beautiful. Nice. There you go, guys. Fuck yeah. Break and retest. That's all it is. Gone. Off the chart. Look at that. It's literally off the chart. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Rip that fucker. Sorry. 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 Hide the kids. 36%. Out some more here. Day's done. Well, 12-minute day. Not bad. Took it a little bit on the lighter side that time. Only put about 15K in that, but oh well. I just was a little bit uneasy with the market, but hey, I'll take it. I mean, that one was about as easy as it gets. That was about as easy as it gets. Oh my God. Could that have been any easier? Here he goes. I mean, this could be the day. Oh my God, we caught an absolute monster. 45%. We caught an absolute monster. Wow. Arms going. You know what I'm going to do just because I'm being an idiot? Actually, no. I'm not going to be an idiot. I was thinking about just buying some Tesla down here. Buy some Tesla longs at 343 and just forget about them. Actually, I might do it. I mean, I just made 50% in 5 minutes. I'm throwing a little bit in Tesla here. Just a little one. $2,000 worth. I bought some Tesla 350s. Just for the hell of it. All right. Done. I just bought a little bit of Tesla at 343. See if this thing comes back alive with the market after this dump. That is not anywhere near a strategy like the size I would put into NVIDIA. You need to understand that. NVIDIA is A+ textbook trade. This is like sort of like take advantage of a dip buy. All right, taking more off NVIDIA here. 148 was our target. We instantly got to it. 55% trade in like 5 minutes. Unbelievable. Duolingo just got an alert. I don't really know what the hell this stock is doing, but TSM alert. Holy shit, TSM straight up. NVIDIA might just be a monster trade. I would absolutely hold something. I would absolutely hold something. 100%. Do not fully sell NVIDIA. Seriously. At least hold one contract until you